Yo, blessed love massive. Hopes everyone is doing well. Welcome to the channel once more. Yeah, man, once to give thanks to all of those who just are tuning in. And for the ones them who already subscribe, once I give thanks again. And welcome to the new ones who just are tuning in. See, so massive. Today we just go whole a little reasoning still, see, as usual. Cause one of the things where me realize more and more while me I do this thing here, is that critical thinking is not a common thing differently still as how me used to think. Cause watch you now, me see people still attack some things. And we are talking about the Ras Chucky alleged accident slash whatever come after it. Because we realize that people still assess some things, and people are being a bit reckless in what they must say, if that makes sense. Seeing because when me talk about critical thinking, me used to think so one time, critical thinking that we just one common thing where everybody can just, you understand, just say things for what it is or what it's supposed to be, or how you're supposed to treat certain information where you have different lists still. And it bring me back to one time may I do one job application. Seeing and about 15 away, go up for the job. See, and then it kind of trickled down to about 4 or 5 away. Me see that the officer do the final part of the interview. See, and one part of the application, may have to do some puzzle. You understand? Some basic puzzle differently still. What me then consider basic puzzle? It like things where if you just solve some little problem. You see, some little problem solving puzzle. And at the time I think like what kind of little basic school kind of sitting them and them ask me for do. See? But more and more me realize them things it show how well your skill is when it come on to thinking. I'm realize you understand enough people not really think by one critical level in a most cases. And we are going to examine that little thing, where they go on with the RAS, untimely passing. We still hear people with some conspiracy kind of argument, and them argument they kind of misleading. And if you're not careful, one or don't go point fingers in the wrong direction and make this whole thing here become a whole big old suspicion and accusation, and you understand? Before you know the whole thing it reached the whisper, even the Ras legacy go get destroyed. See? Based on how people are treat this whole thing. So in my opinion differently still. Me believe in a process. Me believe say things must be handled in a one professional manner. Me believe say things must be handled in a one manner where if you allow the process to take, make it take course. Allow the police them to do the investigation and allow the outcome for the truth come out. You understand? Cause watch you know. Me want to ask a question like, see, my question is, at what point does an accident become a crime? And these are some of the things them where the people them who who they talk certain things must question themselves, and take into consideration. At what point does an accident become a crime? And make we take it from the beginning. Because more time we take some little things for granted and we overlook some small things, and then small things it amount up to big things, and them small things important for we look upon. See? Because the first thing what me would have asked myself in a this a case here, if the people them who involved in the whole thing, the whole alleged accident / crime, first, if them have the prerequisite skills to operate the vehicles what they when they operate. That are the first thing. If them have the requirements to operate the vehicle what they want to operate. So let's say a car bounce the rust off a bike. At what point does that become a murder? Because if we don't have the evidence to support the argument there, me feel like say it irresponsible for people come out and say them things there. That are just my opinion. Because the next question we then ask him waiter, if the person who operate the motor vehicle, if him not have the right requisition to operate the motor vehicle, and the incident happen where him bounce the rust off a bike, would that person just give in himself knowing say the crime start him a operate a vehicle where him not have no right for operate? Because that's why the first crime, and there's a charge for that same way too. So we can't just jump from accident to murder from one little willy-nilly kind of argument without having the evidence to support the argument. And if the people them were involved in the accident, if they will have the right training for they operate the vehicle what they when they operate, if they will have all of the prerequisite skills for operate the vehicle what they when they operate. So if them never have them skills there and the requirement for operate the vehicle, that in itself is a next crime. And that in itself is a next charge. But in order to know them things, an investigation have to be done, because most of we who they talk about the thing, we weren't there, like myself. So that's why me shy away from the whole quote unquote argument of the rust was being targeted. See? Because me not have no evidence to support that. And me know say most of the people who they talk about it same way too, them not have the evidence to support that. And if them have the evidence to support them things, then guess what? If you know make that known to the authorities, then guess what me you are accessory to the crime same way, if it is a crime. So all of them little things that we have to question, we have to be responsible with how we talk about them things there. Because as I say, we are going to point fingers in a certain direction now, and people go start to that line when no line is supposed to, you understand, cross and then that there. And people go to question other people activities now. And the closest people them round the rest go start to get prevents and go start to get accused of things. And when I have nothing to support that, and me think say that reckless and irresponsible. Me feel like I said the police must do them investigation, because in order for we establish whether that was a murder or not, the intent behind the whole thing have to be established. See? So if the police do their investigation and them realize the intent behind the whole thing was to bring harm to the RAS. Then people can understand now on the charges of whether it is malicious or whether it was just simply an accident or reckless endangerment. Whatever charge go come after the police them find out what really happened and how this thing really happened. Cause me notice there's a little thing in a Jamaican culture, you know. We always, and not even like Jamaican culture alone, is a worldwide thing. You see it, cause people always love people for saying things what them themselves is afraid of saying. See? Or them want people for them put people in some vulnerable places. Like them want people to say things where can actually cause some kind of ill will to other people or ill will to even to themselves. See? For example, people like for say Jamaican people like for say them not like informer. See? And that is an idea, you know. Jamaican people don't like informer, but guess what? Jamaican people like to see people inform on people. And then we force you in the situation where you become that what them claims say they not like. See? Because for people come out and make something like a loose accusation differently still, you know. It tantamount to informing same way to you. Because you are going to basically tell upon somebody where you don't have nothing for concrete up what you are going to tell upon them say. But because you know in the position to do it, or you afraid to do it, you then want somebody else to go out and talk it out for you and say, yes, that really go on. You understand? But no, man, you can't set up people, man. You can't put people in the position for say things where uno might think, but uno want somebody else to say it. Because probably uno afraid to say it. See? And them things give rise to some extremist leader and them kind of sitting there, because them say certain little rhetorics, and instead of we pay attention to the policy, the policies are the overall ideology of the person. We just grab on a certain little rhetoric and we support them for the simple rhetorics what them push. And we go on like I said, we love them, but we still in ourselves on one next angle I say we not like some of the things them what they say. But we at least we are trying to push them in the position to say it. Yeah, man, we have to be careful of the things and what we are say on the internet, man. And me feel like the people must be more responsible when them are talk about them kind of things. You see? So it better we ask some more questions than, you understand, I point fingers and I say this person there that and that person there this and everybody is a suspect, and you understand the whole thing. And none of we are no investigators either. We just basically talk about the things what they in the public. You understand? And everybody chime in their opinion on it. You understand? But some people like them just have some reckless opinion, and them expect people to support their reckless opinions. You see it? And me no join them thing there still, you see it? Yeah, man, me no join them thing there, you see it? And the people them with the negativity is almost like some people don't even know how to control their negative vibration. It's almost like them things that them are do something positive at the same time. Them are bring out so much negativity. You see it like, you know, it's weird how people just, you understand? We have to be careful of the things that we say differently still, is it? And we have to learn to think and look through things and make the police them do their work, man, and stop point fingers, man. And some of the things that me I say, me hear the people them I say differently still. It just weird because it go me see people even like them are defend the family. But at the same time, them a make it look like I say people must suspect the family at the same time, same way. You see it, so if you don't have the information for support on a suspicion, you must bring them argument there, them evidence there to the authorities so them can do the investigation and just make the truth come to light. Cause me see enough crime flag in Jamaica with, you understand, what them bring out some credible information same way too, and you understand, me not hear none of them talk about this in regards to no crime commit. You understand? A crime was committed, because the basic fact say the person who caused the accident flee from the scene of the accident. That in itself is a crime. That a one charge. You understand? But there's a different variety of charge where investigation have to be done for understand fully what happened, how it happened, the intent behind it, if it wasn't just a simple misguided some kind of thing, you see it? If somebody when I do something what them they supposed to do and it result in a collision, or somebody never pay attention in a some way and it result in a what it result in a, all of them things they have to be scrutinized, you see it? And if the police them find out say it was malicious, if the police them find out say the intent behind it I went for harm the person, then the relevant charge the defeat same way too. So we can just speculate and say it was, you understand, and just jump from stage one gone to stage 100 without looking through the whole situation, you see it? I feel like I say anybody else who really say the thing was, you understand? Me feel like I say anybody I say the thing was a murder. Without the evidence for support that, me feel like say it reckless. You understand? And irresponsible. And my opinion that differently still. You see it? Yeah. So massive. Again, we want to say much respect, and you understand? Again, we want to say to the ones them with the negative energy, just cool it off, man, and make the police them do them work, man. Allow the process for, you understand, do what it's supposed to do. And give the family them some respect, man, and you understand, just allow the whole bad vibes, cause if they are them when eat the rust for some kind of reason, you understand, it not gonna change nothing right here now. You understand? So it makes sense some people just hold it off and just know some man. You understand? At least give the rest some kind of dignity. Make him family have some kind of decency. You understand? Treat the family with some kind of decency, you see it? And you understand? Give the family them privacy, and you understand? The bombard people with one bugger negative energy and negative vibration, you see? Because we never know the rest for that. See? We know the rest for the positive vibration where I'm always a push, you see? And the people them who want to come out and try to taint that you know and try to flip the script. You understand? It just distasteful, you see it? You understand? Because the man don't even dare to defend himself against some of the things them where people attack about him. You understand the levels? Yeah, man. So we want to give thanks to the reasoning people, and we just hope say the ones them can, you understand, find some sense in the thing what may attack and think more critically, you see it, and you understand, don't make your emotion drive your opinion and cause yourself to, you understand, embarrass yourself. So I want to give thanks to the moment and give thanks to the listening again. I want to say rest in peace to Chucky once more and keep the positive vibration going. And we hope so the family are do well and everybody has strength up themselves and all I loved ones them. Gonna just go and look out for each other same way to, you see it? And strengthen each other. And don't make the negative vibration bring no kind of, you understand, disturbance within the camp. So once a blessed love to the people them and people no can subscribe if you don't like the content and you understand, share the reasoning with a friend them same way and tell me what you think in the comment section same way so we can keep the conversation going. So once a blessed love and more strength and more life. Take care of their themselves, take care of their them family. Rastafari live.